Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make Google Sheets editable. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and we're going to make this Google Sheets editable. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the share button. Then, wait guys, it's still loading. Alright, as you can see that is still restricted. It means that people cannot edit this file. So if we want to make this Google Sheets editable, we can click on this button, then choose anyone with the link. Alright, and you have to click on this button and click on Editor since we want to make this Google Sheets editable. Alright, after that, we can click on Done. Alright, and right now this Google Sheets can be edited by another user, and I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.